Hi everybody, this is Dr. Ban, chiropractor in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. Good to see you. So in today's episode, let's talk about exercises for your posterior deltoid. Why do you need exercise for posterior deltoid? It's good for your posture because you're sitting down the whole day. There's tendency to slope forward. So the posterior deltoid muscles around here stabilizes your posture so that you don't roll forward so much. Of course, you go to the gym, you might have seen exercises like this where you bend over and do a fly, or you see people pulling a cable like this, or face pulls. So I'll show you something simple you can do in your office or in your house. Come, follow me. Find your cupboard.
Version 1 narrow
Pull.
grip.
Lean back slightly. Pull.
Version
Open.
2 medium wide grip.
Open. And exercises here, good for your posture so that you do not roll forward. And the second advantage is because you're standing, lengthens your spine instead of sitting down the whole day on Zoom, creates less stiffness in your lower back. So try these simple exercises. So that's all. So this is Dr. Ban, chiropractor in Petaling Jaya. Have a good day.